And we are live. So we're gonna upgrade this Compaq in this live stream. So let's wait for some people to join the live stream. And here I have my new Dell laptop, so I can also read chat, of course. So let's go to YouTube, to my own live stream. And do we have people already? Let me check. Yes. Hey Momfy. Hey Dr. Drax. How are you doing? Here's my own live stream. Let's mute audio. Oh no. Yes. So now I can read the chat and have fun. So how are you all doing? How is your Christmas? In this live stream we're gonna take this Compaq Deskpro and we're gonna upgrade it, and I need your input for it because right now it's a Pentium 3 450 MHz with 256 megabytes of memory and a crappy hard drive. So I need a video card, sound card. Oh, it has a Matrix G200, so we have some options here. So let's do this. Hi YouTube Critic TV and hi Stingers. Oh, from Brazil, that's nice. So let's zoom in the camera a little bit. So what should I do with this system, and how's the audio? I'm thinking about at least a bigger hard drive, because it's now as a 6.3 gigabyte hard drive, and the hard drive is not the best hard drive. So I can upgrade the hard drive, but the hard drive I already prepared because I already made a partition on this drive and formatted it, so we don't have to wait in this live stream to format the hard drive. And this is an Hitachi Destar, and it is 40 gigabytes, 7200 RPM, so it's quite a nice drive for in this system. Audio is fine, good. So let's first start with installing the hard drive in it, and I need to replace the BIOS battery, and then we can discuss what we're gonna do in terms of video cards and sound cards and other options, because I have a lot of parts, so any idea is possible and any input is welcome. So let's open this system. So let's turn it off. Put the laptop to the side here. So let's see. Is PlayStation 2 retro? It's too retro indeed. No, of course a PlayStation is retro, so why not? Do you remember my comment on your video? Yeah, a little bit. How are you doing now? Did you mod it with Chippy? Let's see. The BIOS battery is a little bit dug in, but maybe I can pull it out. Oh, yes. So the BIOS battery is out now, and let's put in a fresh one. because with every system you get in, you need to replace the batteries. So let's put it in. And the network card that's now in the system is an Tricom 3C905B. So that's quite a nice card, and it's supported in Windows 98. So I think I will leave that in. So let's do the hard drive right now. And to remove the hard drive, you need to remove the front panel. Did you have a nice Christmas? I worked yesterday on Christmas, but but my brother also came in the evening, and we had some nice dinner, and with my father, and we watched the movie Dumbo, and we watched it as a child, so that was quite nice to watch again. Let's see, to pull out the hard drive. And the hard drive is mounted by those annoying Compaq screws. So if you have them, it's good. If you don't have them, you are screwed. But luckily, they work with a normal flathead instead of the Torx. So we can easily remove them. Excel is much better now, but I will need to wait until January. Okay, I hope it will be fine in January. And the hard drive right now is a Maxtor 6.4 gigabyte, made in December 99, and the warranty is to December 2002, so that is already over. But this hard drive is a bit loud and slow, so we're gonna replace it with a fast hard drive that is also loud. I want to work on my Pentium 3 system while this is on. You should do that and keep us updated what you're gonna do with your Pentium 3 system. So let's put screws in the new hard drive. And I already checked this hard drive in the system, so I know the BIOS supports 40 gigabyte. Because some systems has a limit of 32 gigabyte, but a hard drive like this has the jumpers to put it on 32 gigabyte. Floppy drive issues. Just replace the floppy drive and clean the old floppy drive, or just throw it away if you have enough floppy drives, of course. But on the side around here. Oh, nice. Free computers are always sweet. What kind of slot 1 system was it? Because I really like slot 1 systems, like this one. Okay, the screws are in, so we can slide it back in. And it is nicely in place. Let's connect the cables. I like the Torx screws with the right driver. They are really nice. Just hate it if you get the slot drive. Yeah, the Torx screws has an advantage in terms of building the system for Compaq, because it is much more solid to just put thousands and thousands of screws in, but it is not standard in terms of the computing world. So the hard drive is in. Let's see if it still works. And you can hear that this hard drive is a bit loud. But also really fast hard drive. It was a Celeron CPU, but in slot 1 Celeron, if it isn't Celeron 300A, it's really great. I love them. The Compaq needs a floppy drive in cable select mode, don't forget. But the floppy drive in this Compaq came with the system, so it's original. Okay, it has updated to the right hard drive. The checksum is of course invalid because we swapped out the BIOS battery. So let's see what the system will do. F10. Let's set system information. Pentium 3 450. It has 256 megabytes of memory, so it's 3 random sticks, but I think for a gaming build 256 megabytes is more than enough, so I'm not gonna upgrade that to more because it's not really necessary. Set date and time. Let's see how this works. What? Page up, maybe. How does it work? Oh wait, just the arrow. Yeah, the arrows. It doesn't have to be really precise, but 26 of course. Month is 12. 26. And let's see if it has. Oh no, it goes to 2018. That's good. Floppy drives installed. IDE devices, hard drive, CD-ROM player, boot order, CD-ROM, floppy, hard drive, that's correct. No security, energy saver, let's turn that off. Save changes and exit. Just amazing when it lives on on the B86. Yeah, the B86 is a really nice 8-bit motherboard. Like the BE62 is also great. Mine is a 450 till I upgrade the BIOS support to 700 in. Oh, nice. Okay. So we have a working hard drive now. We have the Pentium 3, we have a Matrix G200, a 3-com network card, a CD-ROM player, a floppy drive. So come with ideas to upgrade this for gaming. I have some ideas myself, but I really want to know your ideas to put in this system, because I have so many parts, we can do anything, even crazy setups. As long as it works, I'm fine with it. So please come with your ideas and we pick the best one and we're gonna build it and gonna install Windows 98 on it and play some games on it. So we're gonna really install the whole system and build it together. Put your graphics in there. Not sure. I think I want to keep the graphics ultrasound for a more another video, and I'm not sure which Gravis ultrasound I have and if it works under Windows 98, so I need to check that. Hey, what is the stream doing? The stream is working? Okay, because on my live stream display it's doing strange things. Wait. Okay. Autofocus. Stupid camera. Maybe this works. GeForce 3 Ti, Voodoo 2, SLI, AW832, DVD, CD, rewritable zip drive, Windows 95, 30. That's a lot of random stuff. The idea for the gaming PC is just to have Windows 98 gaming, maybe some DOS games that support Windows 98. So it's not to play titles that need a much faster system, but just a system where we can really play some games. So, not much ideas of you. Come with more input. I like to know. Viper V770. I like that idea. I also like the Matrix D200, but a Viper V770, it's possible. I have one. Let me see where it is. I think I have it here. Yeah, Viper V770 with 32 megabytes of memory from Diamond. So this is a possibility. And this one comes with a driver disk and some manual and an installation guide. Graphics installation guide here, but it is in it's in many languages, otherwise it's pretty large book for installation guide. G400 Max, also nice. I also have that card, so maybe we can put in some 3DFX hardware. Just let me know what you want. I have Voodoo 2s, I have Voodoo 1s, Voodoo 3s of course, Voodoo 5. I'm just casually opening sealed bags of ID and floppy cables. That's always nice. I think the Viper 770 is a good idea. Maybe we can put some Voodoo 2 SLI setup together with that card. Then we have some options in terms of Glide and OpenGL and some performance, and let's find a set of Voodoo 2s. Let me see what we have here. We have here two Helios Voodoo 2 cards. Both are 12 megabyte. So I think that will be a great upgrade for this system. Solid state MFM. Does that make sense? So what kind of sound cards do you prefer for this system? We have PCI, let me check, we have one PCI slot free and one or two ISA slots free, so we can both go ISA or PCI? Socket 7, 32 megabyte, Radeon 220 PCI, fibers. Oh, nice. Sound Blaster Cold, of course. Sound Blaster Cold. AWE64 and VM. We can check. Let me check where my sound cards are. Video. Oh wait, they are. Here we have a Sound Blaster 16 Vibra 16 stuff, but no. We have this one. Graphis Ultrasound, but I'm not sure if this one is compatible with Windows 98, because I'm not really into the Graphis Ultrasound cards. And this is a 93 card, so I think this is more for a DOS build. It's an Ultrasound Revision 3.4. Too short. Gus has the Windows 95 drivers, not Windows 98. Okay, but I want to have this system because Pentium 3 on the Windows 98. So the Graphis Ultrasound will be in another system. Here I have an AWE64 SE. Always a good card for a system like this. Or a Sound Blaster AWE32. And that's quite a big card. Also an option. Let me see what else we have. Here we have an AWE64 cold, but I'm not sure if I can find the right adapter cable to use this one, because it has RCA out. Put an adlib in it. I don't have an adlib card, so this is another AWE64. This is Sound Blaster 2.0. This is an AWE64. This one is maybe also nice. This is Sound Blaster 16. An original one. With a Yamaha IMF 262M chip. Sound Blaster ZS perhaps. I think the Sound Blaster 16 will be a nice card to try out in this system, because I never used this card before. And we can directly see if it's working. And this is the old style with the volume button here. So what do you think? The Sound Blaster 16, AWE32 or AWE64 SE? Or a Sound Blaster Live or one of the other PCI cards? AWE64. AWE64 basic value suite. because you got also Midi and OPL core. And get in floppy cable. RWL, just push harder on the floppy cable, then it will be fine. Let me see. What does the AWE32 has? What kind of chips does it have? Only creative chips, I think. And the AWE64 has also just creative chips. But let me see. I have something. Because this is sent to me by Serda's shop, the Midi synthesizer, and I still need to make a video about it. It is the Dream Blaster X2 module. So I think we can install it on the Sound Blaster 16 maybe. It can also be on the AWE32 because of the slot, but I think the Sound Blaster 16 with a Dream Blaster X2 is a nice combination. Nice and fellow Falconer. I think we need to give the Dream Blaster X2 a try on the Sound Blaster 16. And just see in this live stream how it works, because I never used this before. So this is just a business card. So does the Sound Blaster 16 have a hanging notebook? I'm not sure. It's of course possible because this is one of the earlier modules. So we have a lot of jumpers here, so I'm not sure if it will work directly, but I think I want to try out the Sound Blaster. If so, then an IM7. The Sound Blaster 16 has an IMF262M chip. You got an audience CN and what? I have some Turtle Beats cards. Oh wait, let me see another option, but I need to bring it down. I also have this Turtle Beats Tropics Plus 32 voice wavetable sound card, and it's new in box. And I have another strange sound card. That's this Pro Div Plus, but that's more an audio card with some professional features, also complete in box. Sound Blaster Live is absolute horror. For Windows gaming, it's pretty decent, but for DOS gaming, it's not the best. Here's a brand new Turtle Beats card. 3 RAM banks here, a Yamaha chip here, and 262M also. wavefront chip. Completely brand new card, never been used. And here we have all the drivers with an elastic band that's still working, top quality. Windows 95, wavefront, DOS, an application and another application floppy. An ISA AT Stereo FX card with Voitera software, never heard of that. But let's do the Sound Blaster 16 with the Dream Blaster, the two Voodoo 2s and the Viper 770 in this system. I think then we have a really nice configuration for gaming. Then we can do some DOS gaming, some Windows gaming, and see if we can get the Dream Blaster X2 working, because I have no clue how this thing works. So I probably, if I was smart, I was reading up some reviews and some stuff and info, but just let's try this thing out. We can here we have the wavetable connector, and you simply put it on like this, and then it's installed, so it looks nice. Let's do a close-up. The wrong pin is blinked. Just drill the cables out, RWL. A Vortex 2. You have a Vortex 2 for the Dell XPS 800R build, so I will put that card in that system. So let's turn off the system. Okay, let's zoom in the camera a little bit so you can see the cards be installed. So let's remove the Matrix G200. A really good card, really good image quality, and you can upgrade memory here to 16 megabytes because it's an 8 megabyte card, and the autofocus is acting up. Okay, so let's put that away for now. Let's remove the network card because we need to put it in another slot, because I want the two Voodoo 2s next to each other. And a nice 905B, you can't go wrong with that card. Then we need to remove the back plates. Let's watch an unfocused PC. Yeah, I'm sorry. What's my telephone doing? I got a message. I need to remove this one for the... Let's put my telephone away. Not important. Okay, let's remove the back plate here also, and we need to remove this back plate. Oh, it's stuck. So we have video card. So we have video card, Voodoo, network card, audio. So let's put the network card in this slot. Let's see. The Viper V770 is specifically cooled, so I'm not sure if this system has enough airflow in it, but we will see. And it's an HCP 4 times card, but this card of this motherboard has only HCP 2 times because it's a 440BX motherboard, probably an Intel branded one. Hi Stefan, thank you. So let's put in the Viper. Here we have the first Voodoo card, because Voodoo SLI is just the best fun. It fills up your slots, so they don't use IRQ, so you don't have problems with them. And in Windows 98 they work great, so that's a really good option for a system like this. And a Pentium 3 450 is more than enough for gaming, so we don't really need to upgrade that. And the network card. I think Victor is aware of the love here in the stream. Ah, wait, I need. There are smileys for that. 14 likes, yes, and 40 people watching. Thank you. I appreciate all the love. Uh-oh. No, don't fall in, screw. That's why what I hate about Compaq screws with a flat head. They don't really hang on the tip of your screwdriver, so they can easily fall in, and that sucks. Are you gonna sing 90 songs, Fox? Okay, then we have the Sound Blaster 16. I'm not sure about the IRQ settings and stuff, but it probably came out of a system where it was working, so let's just put it in and we will see if we get IRQ errors or something, and then we can always find out what the settings are. And I think the Sound Blaster 16 drivers must be in Windows 98, so that will be more easy. So we have the drivers from the Viper 770 on CD, so we can just put the CD in and see if it works. The Voodoo 2 drivers, I have them I think on my network, so the network drivers are in Windows, so the drivers won't be an issue probably. And maybe I can find a driver disk of the Voodoo 2 cards and just install an old driver and just see how that works, but I'm not sure where it is right now. Okay, the cards are in, but we need to have the Voodoo 2 bridge cable. So that must be in this shelf. Yeah, here's my box of cables with my do-it-yourself cables and some original cables. So I like this one with the blue ribbon. I think it, and the gray connectors, I think it fits this system. And I also have this red one and the black edition and the boring gray ones. And they are really easy to make, and I have a tutorial for that. Just search Voodoo 2 bridge. And you need an VGA cable to go from the main video card to the Voodoo cards. Let's put it in. Tech channel. Not a karaoke bar. Yeah, but some 90s songs are welcome, of course, in the chat. As long you don't copy paste the whole song text. Then you get banned. Let's install the VGA cable in the back. And you need to put the other side of the VGA cable in the upper Voodoo 2 card. What's this build? For 40BX? Yes. Pentium 3? Yes. 450 MHz. And Sound Blaster 16? Yes. But with the Dream Blaster X2. So we're gonna try out how that's gonna turn out. So let's see. Here's the front panel of the system. I think it can be put back. And it's designed for Windows NT and 98 and a Pentium 3 inside sticker. And I like this Compaq Deskpro system because they are really solid. They are really built to live forever. And the metal is really strong, so you don't bend any of the casing. They are really good systems. Let's move my table a bit. Then I can put the system more to it. Yeah. Let's redecorate the studio. Play some Slayer. 80s are better. But we are now in the 90s. This stream is the 90s. Let's try if the system will work. Because the video card, I never tried it, but the Viper V770 is working. That's good. The memory is still detected. Okay, that's great. No errors anymore because of the BIOS battery, so that is correct now. No errors because of IRQ stuff. So the hardware is installed now. I'm only 21, but the music is better than now. But there is still some really good music nowadays. And even in the 90s and 80s there was really terrible shit music, but we all forget about it and we only remember the good stuff. Okay, let's get Windows 98 CD. I had it somewhere here because I prepared myself, so I don't have to search for the CDs. Oh, here it is. Oh wait, I need to have a code for Windows 98, so I need to find one. But let's open the CD player, put Windows in. I already created a 40 gigabyte partition on the hard drive and formatted it, so we don't have to wait on that in the live stream because that's really boring. Boot from CD-ROM, Windows 98 setup, upgrade, OEM, retail. Just do the normal Windows 98 setup. Can you read the screen from this distance, or shall I move it a bit closer maybe? Nice, Stefane. I'm gonna copy paste that so I don't have to find it back, and we're gonna try that one out. So let's run notepad, paste. Okay, thank you. Oh, we can't. Nope. Yeah, this is an eye test. Okay, we're gonna do the eye test now. What is it saying here? Let me see if you need glasses or not. Failed. No. F3 exit. Now this is the F3 exit. This is the F1 help. So, what is it saying here? The first letter on the screen. You should know this one, otherwise you have failed the complete test. W. No. M. Yes, it's the M. But I think we need to get the camera closer. How is this? I can't zoom in anymore. Let's adjust the monitor a bit. Better. Oh, did you notice what's behind this screen? That's pretty funny. Look. There's RGB lights behind this screen. But it's getting a bit loose here, the tape, so I need to fix it again. So it's like a Christmas tree screen. Yeah, Ambilight. What camera do you have? Here in the background you can see my Panasonic GH5, but now in a cinema setup. But I'm not using that one for live streaming because I think I don't need 4K for live streaming. So I'm now using my Panasonic GH3 for live streaming, and that works great because it's a clean HDMI out. So let's preparing to install Windows. Yes, a routine check. So this is probably a really boring part of the video because we are installing Windows in the live stream. So I'm boring 45 people with Windows installation. Nice. Okay, yes, my trackball here on my keyboard is working, and it's a really lovely Compaq keyboard. I found it in a thrift shop for I think €2, and I always search in thrift shops for keyboards without Windows keys, so they are really old, and I really love Compaq keyboards because they are really high quality. They type really nice, but the issue with this keyboard I have is this is good. This is just standard US layout. The arrows are good. This part is also standard. I can work with this. But here the function keys and the insert and home and this on different positions, and when you are working with a keyboard like this on your workstation, you want to have without checking, you want to hit the keys, and this is probably a bit more difficult with this one. Okay. Setup is preparing the Windows 98 setup wizard, which will guide you through the rest of the setup process. Please wait. Yeah, we want to install it in the Windows directory. Preparing directory, and this is so boring. Windows installation life is critical. Yeah, but I really want to have fiber in my home for internet, but I'm just on an ADSL connection, and it's really terrible, and I need to do something with it. Kernel panic system halted. No. Have you ever been in other European countries, Slovakia, Poland? I was in Poland in November for 9 days, and I really enjoyed it. I was to the Camera Image Film Festival, so probably next year I want to go back. Okay, we're gonna do a custom selection. I don't need the accessibility options. Let's see what arrow cursors. No, calculate desktop wallpaper. Of course, we want to have the games. We don't have to need the imaging. Paint we need. Quick view. Screensaver. So we know this WordPad. We don't. Yeah, away with Outlook. Command prompt communication. Yeah, Hyperterminal and Microsoft Chat. We need that in our life. Dial-up networking. Let's see. Desktop themes, that can be fun. Internet tools, we don't have to know. Personal web server. This one is a custom Windows installation, so we have also tweak IU. Wait, where was I? Multimedia. We need to have the crappy jungle sound, and the robots, and the musica, and the sound screams, and the sample sounds, and the Utopia sound scream. All the crap we need. Online services. Go away. I don't need this shit. No, Outlook, system tools. Let's put some. Okay, how should we call this computer? Maybe Compaq, or Do you have a better idea for the name of this computer? 440. That sounds nice. Which provider is that? I now have just Access for All, and I like Access for All. It's working good. Christmas? No, not something with Christmas. Or maybe the Compaq Gaming, or the Voodoo Compaq. Yeah, I think it will be Voodoo Compaq. Description: this is a Compaq with 3DFX Voodoo 2 SLI set up, and oh it's full. I think that's a good description. Oh, let's put that in capital letters. So this is a Compaq with 3DFX Voodoo 2 SLI setup. Yeah, perfect. Bags the Compaq. No, we don't gonna. Let's see. US layout, regional settings, Dutch standard. Okay. Netherlands. Yay, copy! Welcome to Microsoft Windows 98. Please sit back and relax while Windows 98 will take forever. I'm waiting for Digitum TDM card, so so you're gonna dial up in your home to your phone card and then go to the internet. Nice. This will take forever. So if someone has questions, please ask them. Now it's the time to answer them. I hear the hard drive. Do you use flash cards? Sometimes makes everything really fast. I have around 150 IDE hard drives around here. So I prefer hard drives in the systems like this, because then you have really the experience how it was back in the days. And this is a pretty fast hard drive for a system like this, 7200 RPM. So I have some flash cards, but not really use them in builds like this. You gonna fix the motherboard of the game year 2006? That motherboard, I think I just throw it out, because I have more than one of those boards, or maybe I have it somewhere. I'm not sure anymore. Why don't you use an NL version of Windows? I never used an NL version of Windows or DOS, or I always use the English version, so that's just what I prefer. Nice t-shirt. Doom 1 and 2 are the best games. Yeah, but I didn't play that much Doom in my life. I was more busy with Wolfenstein 3D, because Doom was not running on my 286 back in the days. And when I had a system that ran Doom, Duke Nukem 3D was already on the market, and Quake came, and so I skipped a bit of Doom. Oh, there's a built-in help system. I never got any help out of the built-in help systems. I have some old retro games on Steam. Works like a charm. Yeah, Steam is pretty good in terms of updating games to have it running on the Windows 10. Wolf 3D did not run on a 286. It did pretty okay. I have on the 286 60 megahertz build. I have videos where I show Wolfenstein 3D. But you had to have enough memory. But in 12 megahertz 286 could run Wolfenstein 3D pretty okay with 1 megabyte of memory. Is it common for Windows setup disks to go bad? Is it better to you mean the floppy disks of Windows 95 setup? Yay, 52%. Terribly slow. I think I didn't share this live stream to Retro Machine, so maybe I should. So you can all join Retro Machines on Facebook. It's a pretty cool group where you can discuss all your old computer stuff. So you are welcome to join. Let's go to yeah, I had to answer a message on Facebook. Retro Machines. Let's make a post. I'm doing a live stream. Come and join. Okay then, and share. Greetings from Germany. Hi Chris, how are you doing? Oh, wait. What's going on here? You interrupted setup while it was copying Windows file. Uh-oh. Thanks for Stefan. Oh no, it's my CD. Let's check the CD. It's just a copy. Maybe I need to clean it a bit. And maybe the CD-ROM player is not in the best shape. Okay. Yeah, the disk seems to not work with what is happening? I'm trying to install Windows 98 on this Compaq, and we upgraded it with a Viper V770 and 2 Voodoo 2s, and put in a Sound Blaster 16, and I think my Windows 98 CD is broken. Don't do Windows Live. Yes, but this is fun. Let's see if I have maybe another Windows CD. Windows XP, no. Windows 2000. Uh-oh. Windows 95. That's not good. Where is my... let's see what... Maybe I have some CDs in here, but this... oh no! Windows 2000, Windows 2000, Need for Speed 3. Creative photo drivers, that maybe we can try. Oh no, my CD is broken. Wait, I have here burnable CDs, so we can try to maybe burn the CD on my live streaming machine, if I can find the right ISO. File server, data, retro, images, no, that's the wrong images, OS, Windows 98, disk image, burn disk image. Okay, and an HEMA burnable CD. Oh yeah, let's verify and burn. Okay, that I hope that will work. Then we can just put in the new CD and see if the setup will continue. WinWorld is legal. I'm not sure about that. No, it was already on my file server. I'm not downloading stuff, and it is a personal backup that I'm now putting back on a CD because all my original software is safe away in the fire safe, stored away, blah blah blah. Small room but nice collection. Yes, my room is way too small. I really need to have more room in the future. Yes, I'm from the Netherlands. Windows 98 or 98 SE? 98 SE. Might work with another CD drive. Yeah, maybe. But let's first try out the other CD so we don't need to stop the installation. Ah, Groningen. So we are also have visitors from the north of the Netherlands. And what do you think about the lights now in my studio? With the RGB lights, and I have now really nice LED panels. So with really quality LEDs in it, and it's now on the lowest setting. Otherwise you don't see the RGB lights anymore. Ah, Eindhoven, nice. Oh, the CD is almost done burning. Good lights, thanks. Well, I also have here a light panel, the same as behind me. and that is now a bit on the standard positions, and I have a third one of them, so I can put it somewhere else if I need to do an if I'm filming stuff, and I can use the third one to really light stuff. The lights are nice. I want to buy 2 for my room. Yes, the RGB lights are pretty inexpensive by the Action dollar store, and you have the remotes with it. So this remote is for the LED strip, so I can make it red or green or blue or do some yellow, but the yellow is not that great in terms of color output, or more orange or flash stuff, so you can really make it like in disco or jump. There are a lot of options here, but I like the fade with 3 colors or the fade with the 7 colors. Do you know the nits? The Dutch mountains. Are these mountains? We have Dutch mountains in the southern part of the Netherlands. We have mountains. I have LED strips from AliExpress. Oh, nice. How are they? Okay, the disk is now checking in the CD burner. Subscribe to PewDiePie. Are the Netherlands like the Nether in Minecraft? I'm not sure what it is. What are the specs of the PC you're upgrading right now? It was a Pentium 3 450 with 256 megabytes of memory and 6.3 or 6.4 gigabyte hard drive. It's a Matrix G200, really an office PC. So we swapped out the hard drive to a 40 gig 7200 RPM, a Viper V770, so that's a Riva TNT2 card, 2 Voodoo 2s in SLI, and a 3-com network card, and a Sound Blaster 16. So it will be really a gaming system. I just CD-ROM is spinning, but the floppy is not loading. Oh, that's not good. Oh, it's still verifying the disk. That's really slow. What does an AV computer call? I don't know. Oh, the CD-ROM is ready. We have a fresh Windows 98 CD-ROM. Let's mark it Windows 98 SE, and I always put a date on my disk so I know when I made it. So let's see if that helps. Okay, the CD is spinning up. It's reading it now. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. My first PC was an AMD socket A. You are new in the game. My first computer was an 286 that I really owned myself. I'm not sure what the CD-ROM player is doing right now. I hope it's working. The mouse is not reacting. I think the Windows installation is crashed. Oops. CD drive may be dead. I'm not sure. What's smart to do? Let me see. Do I have one laying around here, or I need to get one off my shelf? Okay, I have some nice Toshiba drive here. Let me see, it's from 1999, from August, an XM660B. So I think this is a nice drive to put in the system instead of the current drive. And this is, yes, an IDE drive, not SCSI drive. So let's put that on. Let's put the jumper on the right position. And I'm a really fan of Toshiba drives. Yeah, Toshiba drives are really reliable. That's one of the really good brands from that era. So let's get the cables. The Molex. The IDE cable. There's a Windows 98 CD in the drive, and it's really dusty. So, not sure if this drive is in the right shape, but it's making a little bit of noise. But let's try it out. I see 2 Voodoo 2 cards in SLI. Yes. It's dusty in the Dutch mountains. Boot from CD-ROM. Oh wait, it's a different installation than what I had. So, okay. That will be fine. Set up with... So it's not a tweaked out Windows 98 probably, but it's more normal Windows 98. Oh wait, I have another image here on my system with a yeah. It's a different version, but that doesn't matter. Does it run Crysis? No, it doesn't run Crysis. Another legal image. Yeah, of course. Everything is completely legal here on the channel. Okay, the mouse is working. Continue. I bought one of the Compaq emulators, makes things more reliable. Yeah, I'm not having Compaq myself. I love the old floppies and stuff. I really want to have the experience how you had it back in the days. No, no. Oh shit. Oops, I pressed the wrong button. That click sounds bring bad memories. Uh oh. Oh no, I can't do multi. I need to focus on one thing at a time. uh, boot from CD-ROM. Start the Windows installation. Okay, continue. Okay, let's focus now on the screen and not on other things. Props for using real CD drive. Of course, that's how I run my channel. No, not. Do not use save recovery. I just want to install it in the Windows directory and not the 001. Yes, I want to overwrite it. I get it, but where I live, buying floppies is too expensive for me. I bought 500 floppies for 25 euros, so it's not that expensive here. I see if I can find my external USB floppy drive and my blank disks. Yeah, that can work. Now the selection process again. No accessibility, no address book. Desktop wallpapers, games. Okay, communication. Oh, no. I just want to check the whole box. Desktop themes. Internet tools, no. No internet on this system. No online services. System tools. Yeah. Computer name. Voodoo Compaq. This Compaq has a Voodoo 2 SLI set up. Dutch standard. Yeah, Netherlands. Okay, we are back at the slow copying process. This Compaq hates all my CDs. I hope not. Otherwise, I just will end the stream and then go cry in a corner. $100 disc will cost me about 120 euros with shipping. What the? Hi Russia, how are you doing? I don't know how I need to pronounce your name. No Bitsupromi niet. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce it right. The Compaq Deskpro was my first Intel-based PC I bought after I stopped my Amiga 1200 for everyday computing. Still got both machines today. Oh, that's nice that you didn't throw it out. Shipping to the South Pole. Yeah, then it's probably 10,000 euros. I'm curious if they still use floppy drives on the South Pole in research stations, and they need to order it with the 6 months shipping that they need to put in the order list. I need a box of new floppies because the other ones froze up. What keyboard is that? This is a Compaq keyboard with a trackpad. It's a model MX 11800. Compaq MX 11800 keyboard. Why is this so slow? It's not that much in data that it needs to be copied. "64 people watching. That's cool. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Let's zoom in on the boring Windows 98 installation. Let's put the RGB lights to blue to match the screen. Wait. Blue. Does it show up blue? No, it's more purple. Oh, because this light. Wait, I have more remotes. Oh. Yeah, it's getting blue now. Ambilight. What's the large card in your PC? It's a Sound Blaster 16 with a Dream Blaster X2 module on it. Maybe the setup is waiting for a green light. You want to have green? Green. Like this. Or red. Or yellow. But the yellow is not really yellow. It's more greenish. If you add RGB lighting in a case, I hit speed of Windows 98 installs by 50%. CD drive sounds it's doing good. Yeah, the CD drive is doing a decent job, and it's now on 58%. I think it's a 32 speed CD-ROM drive, maybe 24, I'm not sure, but I think 32. Windows 98 setup was always that slow. Yes, it is. It is terrible. More entertaining by converging real-time 2D and 3D graphics, digital video and audio, and the internet. Windows 98 redefines the role of the computer as an entertainment system. What? Oh yeah, better games. Games are more engaging and exciting with direct... Wait, it's going too fast. Supports new hardware. Windows 98 supports more than 1,000 new printers, modems, monitors, network adapters and other hardware devices. Supports new universal serial bus USB. Provides a universal connection for many of the most popular devices like scanners, cameras. You can... I can't read that fast. It's going too fast. If the CD doesn't work, try the floppy version. I have Windows 98 floppy labels. Windows 95 floppy labels. Even Microsoft knew that nobody would read that. Yeah, probably. Thank you. Please register your copy of Windows 98, the Microsoft Windows 98 team. Yes, I did it. I read it off the screen. Yeah, we start now. That CD-ROM player sounds a little bit rough. Yeah, the hard drive is really noisy, but 7200 RPM Hitachi Destar. Retro machines. Oh, wait. Yay, Windows 98 code. I really hate those codes. D9 XP4 26 G66 39 we Yay! And another waiting screen. I guess the actual drive inside from whatever manufacturer. Now I think it's from IBM. The design, so it probably will break down. Yeah, Teac is one of the big floppy manufacturers. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Why is the Windows 98 setup so boring? Yes, it does sound like an IBM drive. Ultrasound. I just checked on eBay and others. You pay for Voodoo 5500 $350. I need to sell them. Then I will get really rich. Windows 2000 is the best. Yes, I like Windows 2000, but for a gaming system like this, you can better run Windows 98. What's the CPU? The CPU is a Pentium 3 450 MHz. Passively cooled in this Compaq. Windows 98 is now setting up your hardware and plug and play devices you may have. I really hope that it detects the sound card. I fall asleep of the Windows 98 installation. Amsterdam, Berlin, yeah. Okay. Best way to celebrate Christmas. Set up Windows 98, yay! Yeah, best way to spend Christmas, doing a live stream on the internet. Let's put the disco lights back. A Pentium 3 overheating? Okay. USSR PC? I don't get it. Install Linux in this system? No, Windows 98, man. Linux is for nerds and geeks. I had Windows ME on my desktop. Yeah, oh wait, maybe I should do a Windows Millennium Edition live stream. Just to see how the installation goes. Christmas is 3 days. Windows 98 setup is 4 days. I'm watching you on Linux. Oh, nice. Which distribution do you use? Would be nice if you could install Windows 95 OSR2 before the new year. I don't think I have enough days left to install that. It will take a long time. Celeron 400 overclock to 450. You can do better than that. I think you can pull more out of that CPU. Okay, restart. Windows Mistake Edition. Ubuntu. Nice. You never tried Windows 98? You are missing out. Windows 98 is better than Windows XP. Oh, you don't have enough settings for the frontside bus. That sucks. Okay, it wants to have the CD back. Oh, that grinding noise. That's a little bit too much for these drives. They are not the most silent drives, but this is a bit on the extreme side. The file cannot be found. This is a bit stupid of Windows 98 because you need to go to the CD-ROM drive manually and then it works. So this is a sort of flaw in the installation. It's just not that user friendly. Windows 10 was the main reason that I switched to Linux. I'm happy with Windows 10 on my current Dell laptops. It works pretty okay. I have one question. What Microsoft do you use? Microphone do you use? This microphone is a Behringer C1 microphone, and it is with an XLR cable to an Focusrite 2i2 XLR to USB thing. Hi Mark, welcome back. But I cannot play on the... Yeah, Focusrite is really nice. PCI multimedia video device. I'm not sure if that's the Voodoo or the video card, but that's not important right now. PCI Ethernet controller. Look, it's built-in drivers. No, just search for the drivers. Okay. Yeah, just use an 80mm low RPM fan. That's way more than enough to cool a Pentium 3. Yes, I want to restart my computer. Restart my computer hell. Yeah, I use Windows because I do games and video editing, and video editing on Linux really sucks. And if you think it's okay, you have used real software to edit videos. I'm trying to install Voodoo 3 60 MHz PCI in my Compaq Deskpro. It's not working. Maybe you can manually download that ini file from somewhere and add it to your Windows. Windows 98 is so slow. I don't make videos. You should. Everyone should make videos. Is Fix Studio a little bit dark or is it me? Maybe I can bump up the exposure a bit. Maybe this is a bit better. But I didn't put my lights on full power. But now the screen is overblown, so let's put that back. Focus. Yes. Do you have a PC production? No, I don't have PCs from the USSR. Decrease the brightness of the monitor. No, it's okay. Console. I think this is the Full card that is now detected. Yeah, this is the VGA display adapter. Wow, it saw that it is in TNT, but let's see if we have the TNT drivers in Windows. No. Okay. Fatal error. No, it's just drivers of the video card are not in. Be right back. Nice, Windows is installed. And I'm back. Show this screen every time Windows starts. No. Go away. Let's clean the desktop. Okay, let's see. The memory is detected, and in the device manager, Sound Blaster 16. Okay. What I like to try is the original driver disc from the Viper 770, because it has the Windows 98 driver on it, and then we can see the experience with installing the driver. I think that will be nice, and see the menus instead of downloading a new driver. Need for Speed SE. I don't have Need for Speed 2 SE. I have Need for Speed 3 and Porsche and High Stakes, but not 2, I think. Okay, Diamond, Multimedia, blah blah blah, continue. The Viper 770, installation, user guide, about, language, installation, the drivers or the applications. What kind of applications do we have? No. Oh no. Uh I'm getting off track here. Wait, let's close this. Previous. Let's install the drivers. Yes, and no, it's not a Diamond Monster. It's a Diamond Viper V770. Always custom. DirectX. Yes. Update with. Okay. I really liked the brand Diamond. It was really quality stuff. So. Version conflict. Do it. Yes. Hi, Uncle Awesome. Nice. What kind of specs does your Compaq Deskpro has? Okay. Setup is complete. And we do the restarts fun. I need to double check the CPU. The CPU is probably on the side cover. There's a list of specs here, and then you can see what kind of CPU is in it. So every time the stupid reboot. That's what they really fix with newer Windows. You already see that the colors are now not 16 colors anymore. And is my screen just dirty here? Okay, plug and play monitor. Yes. Just no, not not looking on it. Okay. I think in here I have a driver CD of Voodoo cards from Creative. So maybe we can try to use this Voodoo 2 drivers to install the Helios 3DFX cards. No, I don't want to. Wait. Oh, not cancel, only start. Oh, here, cancel. Yes. Okay, let's go to the properties, settings. 256 colors. Let's change this to 32-bit colors. And 1024 786. Wait. Restart the computer with the new color settings. Why? Apply without restarting. Yes, this looks good. Nice. The Viper is installed, so let's see if we can install the voodoo cards. And then we can see if the sound card works and if the games, and then find some games to run. Put Rise of the Triad on here. I'm not sure if I have Rise of the Triad. Maybe I have it on my network, but not sure. I don't have it on a CD. Wait, I can. Is there? Wait, is there not an? There's not on the CD. There's not even a setup. That's funny, but what we can do is go to the properties of my computer, device manager, refresh. It's now finding the voodoo cards. So next. So this is not really user friendly. This is really, if you know what you're doing, you can do it, but it's not in putting in CD in and an easy installation. Search for the best driver, specifications, D drive, Creative 3D Blaster Voodoo 2. As long as it works, it's fine. Yes, yes, yes. And the Helios voodoo cards are really reference designs, nothing special. So they probably just work with the Creative branded driver. Finish. Yeah, let's restart the computer again. Red Alert 2 over no modem cable. Red Alert 1 is also fun to run from the no modem. The classic game for the Voodoo 2 would be Tomb Raider. The last CC game I remember allowed for no modem is TS Tabimson. Yes, yeah. I have a nice Command & Conquer game. You probably will remember it. Let's see where it is. What do you think of this Command & Conquer game? I think this is a good game, but people didn't really like it. There's Pentium 400 MHz, 96 megabytes of memory, 60 MHz direct 3T network, IPS, TCP/IP, internet modem. This can be run on the system. Okay, this is now for the second voodoo card, but because you need to PCI multimedia video device. Strange. Let's cancel this. Carmageddon with 3DFX. I don't have Carmageddon, I think, on CD. Device manager. The Voodoo cards must be on the sound and game controllers. It only detected one of the Voodoo cards, and the other one it said no driver. Uh-oh. Error. 3dfx info. Advanced. This not working. I need to go to the toilet. Sorry, people. So I think we need to have other drivers for the Voodoo 2 cards, because this is not really working. So let's find a network cable. That is long enough. Wait, maybe the other cable is longer. Yeah, this one is longer. Does it? Why doesn't it go? Yeah, click. Far Cry 1 and 2. That is not working on this system. You need to do the full installation of each drive. Yeah, but it was giving an error, but we can try again. Okay, let's try it first. Okay, another card found. Far Cry 2 is one of my favorite Far Cries. It was not much people liked it, but I really enjoyed the game. Search for the best drivers. Oh, maybe just display. 3D accelerators. No, no. 3dfx, 3dfx Voodoo, but that's not Voodoo 2. Creative. This all the Sound Blaster stuff, I think. Yeah, Creative Labs. Oh yeah, it's just the driver you're choosing is. Yes, I want this driver. Has not installed a driver for this device. What? Let's restart the computer so the network is also getting up and running, and then I can use the drivers from my file server. properties, device manager. Two Voodoo 2s. That should be okay. Properties. And something is not working. Yeah, this diamond, that works. But if I go to the properties, yeah, let's disable in control. It doesn't like to go into the properties of the video card. I have an Asus P2B with pin CPU, can't get to post. Maybe it's broken because the Asus boards sometimes break, so are you sure your power supply is correct? And try PCI video card. It's not working like I like to. Is it crashed? No. The start button doesn't work. Shut down. And there's a task hanging. IRQ conflict. I'm not sure. I don't think so because the Voodoo cards don't use an IRQ. Reboot, press F5 and remove those drivers. Yeah, maybe. Oh, wait. I just put it in sleep mode, but... Oh, okay. That... Let's copy the driver from my file server. Download the Pentium Pro drivers, but no. I think I had Voodoo 2 drivers for Voodoo Windows NT. Oh no, no, this is not working. Wait, I need to do it different. I need to... Let's go from my main workstation because it's already on the right part of the file server. Retro, drivers, Windows 98, Voodoo 2. Okay, copy. File server. Okay, paste. Okay. If it's working correct now, we have the drivers. Yeah. Yeah, I can't show you the screen now because I'm on my file server and there are personal files in here. And it's not porno. It's just I don't want you to see it. Okay. C.3dfx. It's retro porno. I have a retro porno, but I can't read the floppies. Let me see. Can I? Where are they? They are really funny. I can show you them. Oh, cool. Lemmings on floppy. It's not in here. I can't find the... I'm not sure where those floppies are, but I have floppies with some retro stuff like that. Okay, the readme, blah blah blah. Properties, device manager, properties, driver, update driver. Search, browse, 3dfx, okay. Yeah, I now have the normal generic Voodoo drivers. PVC, that's funny. Okay, finish. No, I don't want to restart my computer. Properties. Update driver. We are now lucky today with Windows 8 and Windows 10 and all the plug and play, and it's way easier nowadays than back in Windows 98. Let's first restart the system. Floppy drive head cleaning system. $17? That's a lot of money. I think a new floppy drive A brand new floppy drive is cheaper. And task. Thank you, Carfield. That is really appreciated. 1,000 huffs. I'm not sure what an huff is, but I really appreciate your nice donation. Thank you. Nice, thank you. It is an huff is an Hungarian forint. I never heard of an Hungarian forint, but it's really appreciated. So, if now someone donates the same amount in US dollars or euros, thanks. Let's see the voodoo cards. Okay. It's really getting tedious, the driver stuff. Update driver. Next. Search. Specific. Maybe it copied the driver from the directory. So let's see. Let's overwrite all the files. Why is there not a yes to all? I hate Windows 98 driver. Everyone donate 12 of your local money. Thanks. What is CA? Stefan, I really appreciate it. CA, is that Canadian? Or I'm not sure. But I really appreciated your nice donations. Super chat is not available in my country. Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar. Kanukis dan bucks. Kanukis dan bucks. That's funny. On a holiday this year in Uganda, I was a millionaire. I had 2.4 million, but in 2 weeks it was all gone. I think I will try, if the Voodoo 2 cards are working, I first want to try if Lemmings will work on this system. Okay. Voodoo 2s are now installed with the correct driver. But now the display properties is crashing again. Yeah, please donate 3.12 bitcoins. That will be that will be a bit insane. Why is this so stupid? Let's put lemmings in and see if it will work. So run command a there install VGA, which drives A. Yes. Oh, I need to type it out. Game/lemmings. Does that work? Create. Okay, yes. Oh. Lemmings. It doesn't do what I want. Why can't say the lemmings? Oh. Control copy. Let's do manual copy. New folder. Games. New folder. Lemmings. Thanks, Dish. I really appreciate that. That's really generous of you. Donkey coins are better. Just dropped in. Always nice to see in Deskpro. Thanks. Yeah, I have some issues with the Voodoo 2 drivers, but I'm now trying if lemmings will work, and then we can see if the sound card also will work. So let's get the speakers. I have this nice laser speakers. Wait. The cable is not that long. I was around 8 when my family got those speakers. Yeah, but these are the small ones, and you have also the bigger ones. I have them both. I really enjoy these speakers. Lemmings. Yeah. Let's see if it will work. No. VGA Lemmy. There's something not correct with this system. This display properties is not still crashing. They made a scratching noise when we adjust the volume. Yeah. What the fuck is happening with my Windows? Ah. Let's restart the system. Try with only the TNT card. Yeah, but if I open the display properties, it crashes. But I have another plan. Oh wait. Let's see if Lemmings just will work out of DOS. Lemmings.bat, Lemmings VGA. Yeah, we have a high performance PC. PCI Lemmings loading, please wait. No, normal Voodoo cards. Let's do it different. Install. VGA. A. Okay, we are now installing. Yeah, maybe VGA Lemmy. But let's just run the normal install and see if that will work. The TNT drives are already early drivers because they are from the CD. But it's not this drivers, it's the Voodoo drivers. Floppy Drive is music to my ears. Yeah, I like that. See. Hey, we have Lemmings. Do we also have sound? I'm not sure if I plugged in the right connector. F3 for the sound. The sound is not working. And oh wait, we don't have a mouse, but hey, I heard something. Oh wait, up, down. What are the controls for the keyboard? Does anyone set Sound Blaster? Yeah, maybe. But I need to know the controls. At least the sound card is working. Hey! we gonna save this level, but not sure what the controls are. Yeah, come, yes. No mouse and lemmings. But at least we're gonna finish this level. And yay! Okay. Enough lemmings for now. But we F4 keyboard. Let's where's the music? Yeah, I'm not sure where the music is, but there's not a driver of the Sound Blaster 16 installed, so. But at least we played the game. Yeah, Sound Blaster 16 I'm using. Okay, that sounds correct. Find files and folders. I want to know how the Midi sounds because we have the Dream Blaster X2 and I'm not sure if that works right now. Oh. Okay, the Midi is working. But that is just a crappy Midi, I think. Or is it? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's not OPL, yeah, it's OPL3. But how do we need to... not sure how the Dream Blaster X2 works. Okay, but sound is working. Let's just go in safe modus, remove the drivers, change from 220 to 3. Oh wait. So Stefane, if I use 330 or 300, it uses the Dream Blaster, probably. Oh, I forget to F8, but let's first try the Dream Blaster, if that works. Ah, nice. I will try that, Stefane. Setting, I think it was under oh wait, or on the sound. And the system is not reacting how I want it. Control panel. Okay, multimedia. Settings, control panel. Yeah, Windows 98 sometimes does do strange things. This is not the best installation I ever had. I think I already fucked it up. Decent with 3DFX, please. Yeah, if we get it working. Multimedia. Midi. Midi out. That should do a better job, I think. Settings. Find. Ster.mid. This canyon. This sounds good. I like this. This passport. Wait, let's go back to the control panel. Multimedia, Midi. Let's. Now it's back on the original Sound Blaster. Ouch! This sounds shit. So this is how the Sound Blaster 16 sounds. And then let's change it to the Dream Blaster. Pak a bourbon mid. Yeah, this sounds really great, but the MIDI files are pretty shitty. That's standard, are standard in Windows. So I'm now copying MIDI files to my file server. MIDI. Okay, let's see. Doom, Duke 3D, and Police Quest MIDI files. I think we can have fun with them. Copy, let's just dump them on the desktop. Here's some random MIDI files, but oh wait. There's some more nice stuff. We also have Monkey Island MIDI files. So let's copy them. So let's have this one that we can choose between them. So let's switch. I now switch back to the Sound Blaster 16 MIDI. Let's. We all know this song. I think most people heard it like this. What I like, if you stop a MIDI, that it not hacks it off, but it plays the last tones. That's really nice about MIDI. So it's now on the Dream Blaster. Oh wait, This is the standard shit. The control panel is really slow. This Windows 98 installation is not the best. Come on, start that control panel. We are live streaming, we don't have time for this. Okay. So this is Dream Blaster. Maybe ROM issues. I'm not sure. Install Surfback. What? It sounds nice. Do you have Lemmy Tree? No, I don't have that MIDI, I think. Guess the game. And what game is this? Do you know it? No idea. Sounds like... This is Police Quest 2. Jazz Club is this song called. Let's see if I can show in full. This is not the best Midi. This is the Lemming 3P that you sent. I like the Dream Blaster X2. Yeah, Roland stuff sounds amazing with Monkey Island 1 and 2 on the MT32 or the CM32L. Perfect. You got me to yeah, MT32 is nice. But let's see if we can get the Voodoo drivers working. The Sound Blaster 16 is working. This isn't really great. So let's restart it. And then in save modus. Oh, what's wrong with this system? Something is not right. That's always the issue when you're making videos and you have a plan and you are like doing shots and the installation and then something goes wrong, then it's really... Oh wait, I forget to press F8. Then you are filming, of course, and something went wrong, and then you have really the issue do I gonna film this and show it, or is it just too boring and way too much editing work to get something out of it? Yeah, I gonna go in safe modus now. It breaks when you show it, but the Dream Blaster X2 didn't break. Okay, properties, device manager. What? Let's see if I now do properties. Okay, everything is gone, so that's correct. Settings, control panel. This is reacting like it should, just nice and responsive. How long am I streaming right now? Let's see. Oh, 3 hours. Nice. And only 46 drop frames. So that's correct. So we have a stable stream. But I like this Compaq system. I'm not sure if I gonna keep it because I have enough hardware. But to show it in the videos, it's nice. Your stream audio and videos very good today. Thanks. The whining sounds like a Maxtor about 4080 gigs. No, it's an Hitachi 40 gig Dead Star. Okay, let's see properties. Okay, this is just how it should, responsive, and that's correct. And in device manager, the Voodoo tools are installed, so it was the control panel, but now we don't have a control panel, but the Voodoos are installed, so driver, update driver, search, Dead Star. Compaq stuff was supposed to be high-end back in the days. Yeah, Deskpros are high-end machines. The motherboard is probably built by Intel, but on specifications for Compaq, so the power supply is also different and the ATX layout's a bit different. But the hardware is really, really solid. Let's see. I need the tools. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Appearance. Oh wait, nee, wallpaper. Browse. Oh. Yay! New background. Oh, okay. I need to play some music under it. Some random Duke Nukem song. Appearance. Background color to black. Let's see. I think we just need to remove one of them. And then refresh. I mean game, not music. Oh! First I want to have the voodoo card running. Okay. Let's hope the restart is now working. But I don't have Duke Nukem 3D on CD-ROM, I think. This is also a fun title. Hi! Way too difficult name to pronounce. How are you doing? Let's see if... Okay, the 3FX... Let's... Uh-oh. Oh no! It's not working. Something is wrong. Probably in driver conflict. What should I do? This is not cool. Wait, I think I have an ID. It's now around 6 o'clock here. So I think I'm gonna eat and stop this live stream. And then while eating I'm probably just gonna reinstall Windows 98. Just to have a fresh start. And then after eating I will do a part 2 of the live stream where we continue with setting up the system and playing some games. So I think that will be the best solution. Sorry for the people that just joined. Just stream the Windows 98 installation. Yeah, no, I don't know. So, for now, thanks for watching. And I will be back later tonight because the live streaming is really fun and interacting with you. So, this PC is a piece of crap. No, it's not a piece of crap, it's a Compaq. Eet smakelijk, thank you. 24-hour stream. I'm not sure if I can do that. See you later tonight. Okay. Thanks for watching, and please like and share this video, and you can watch it back what you missed. Probably you didn't miss much in it, but I will be back later tonight with a live stream, and then we continue playing with the system. Okay, see you later.